Sup, motherfuckers? Yo, what up? Johnny Allen, Supercar Kid here, back again with another video. An exciting video. Oh my god, a monumentous, huge video. These guys, I never told you about this. You may have noticed it in the background of one of the previous videos. I think it was the video when we picked up the Datsun. You might see it. Alright, so it just settled in that we're actually getting a Datsun 280Z. Like, what the f? I was sitting there on top of the microwave. Maybe in the background somewhere else. But yeah, I got an APR wing. It's freaking awesome. I got this, when it was still warm outside. it's February now. I got this, I guess in the summer sometime. There's a guy who had this APR wing. I'll show you what's wrong with it in a second. It's not a perfect wing, but I did buy this thing for $300. So yes, I got an APR wing, you know, $1,200 something wing for $300. It's awesome. So yeah, so this guy was gonna put it on his FDRX7, and he never did. He just had it lying around. Sold the car like years and years ago. Just had this sitting, collecting dust. Decided to sell it. There I was, swooped in for the kill. So yeah, it's really sick to have this here. Let me show you guys what happened when I bought the first wing, which by the way was an eBay wing. And this will really tell you about the quality of eBay wings. Like, yes, I don't knock eBay. I'm sure if I got another eBay wing, it wouldn't turn out this way. But yeah, let me show you some footage from when I got the eBay wing, starting with this funny clip from Hunter, and then second we'll go to when I actually got the wing in the mail.
Okay.
All right, hold on. I have to go back for a second.
This is gonna go on one of your videos.
Oh, it is. Okay. So I've had this wing on my watch list for like 3 months or so now. So I think it's about time. Hunter, click that button.
Just every time this guy talks about what he wants to do to his car, I tell him there's only two things that he needs to do. He needs to get them fender flares done, and he needs to get this big wang. We're taking care of one of those today, boys. We're gonna get that big wang.
Get the big wang. Get it. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's committed. I'll earn $2.13 in eBay bucks. Bro, it's placed.
Big wang place.
Damn.
Big wang.
He likes the
Not
big wang.
compensated for nothing.
I just got the wing in the mail, and I just wanted to get my pure reaction to this wing, because holy crap, dude. First off, this box is long as hell, so you already know what it is. Now, this was a carbon fiber eBay wing. This is probably the best eBay wing you can probably get. So let's open her up. Damn. Damn. Oh, God, it's girthy. Ah, jeez, it's girthy. I just knocked it on the thing. It's all right. Okay. My hand doesn't stretch the width of the wing. Bro. This is insane. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the camera down to open this up, but here we go. Y'all ready? Because I'm not. Oh, dude. Oh. Ooh. Oh no, there's already a freaking messed up part. I noticed it like right away. Oh, that's not good. So, I've always wanted to have like an APR wing. It's sick. APR is sick. APR makes the coolest shit. Oh, and funny story. When I went to go pick up this wing, I ran into a Huracan Performante, just chilling there. How I'm going to get this wing on this car, because this wing is not made for this car. This wing is actually a Toyota Celica wing. Okay, so this was made specifically for a Toyota Celica to sit at like the right, like height and angle and everything. This is obviously not a Toyota Celica, so this is going to work a little differently. But I don't want to just mount it straight up to the trunk, and let me show you why in a second. Alright, so this is it sitting as far back on the trunk as it possibly can. And what I really don't like is when the wing isn't like the farthest back point of the car. Like, I just feel like the wing should be like in front of this line here. Like, if y'all see that, like how there's like this vertical line and the wing is like behind it. I don't like that. I just can't deal with that. I don't know. It's a me thing, I guess. It's a me thing. But that's not the main reason why I'm doing this. That's just part of it. That is the me thing why I'm doing this. Let me show you the real reason why is because the angle is not enough. See how it's still tilted back. See, like those bolts there should look like flat lines, and they don't. It's kind of hard to see on camera, honestly, but the wing is still angled upward just slightly. I guess here you can kind of see it a little bit. Like, this is it at its max angle, by the way. These are like little adjusters. I thought that was like a special thing, but it turns out it's on like all the APR wings, so it's not special at all. Yay me. The angle is just not enough, and that's really not good. I don't want a wing that's pointing up. That's just freaking gross. So because of that, I need to remount the wing a different way. And here's how I plan on doing that. Big Country Labs trunk mounts. So if you don't know, Big Country Labs is the other wing company, kind of like a side, well, they're not associated, but they're like competitors with APR. They also make like gigantic wings, and you know, they're just huge. You see them all the time. Big Country Labs, APR competitors, and here I am trying to make their products mix. Awesome. So the basic plan is we're just gonna take a chunk out of the middle, like this arc. Just take a chunk out of that. And I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. I made it like a little mark. You guys can't even see it. But yeah, I'm just going to kind of guesstimate. See what we can... We're going to try some things out. I'm just going to try to get the first one right, and then just get the second one and copy the first one, whatever the first one's like. Wish me luck, I guess. Soy mucho nervoso. Estoy mucho nervoso. Estoy mucho nervoso. Wait, no, mucho. There's a muy. I don't know, dude. I'm not good at Spanish. I stopped taking that like last year. All right, bracket 1 cut up. Let's see how it looks. Cut it up. Oh wow! I actually cut off so much more than I needed to. That's actually kind of surprising. I took off way more than I actually needed to. That's fine. Like, I don't really care too much. I'll do the same thing on the other one so that they look the same. So I just figured out something that makes what I'm doing right now at this moment not possible. What it is I didn't account for the angle that like the wing sits at when it makes its angle with like the trunk, and I have to account for that on this bracket with these mounting points. So I can't do that without these brackets on the wing. So that means that I have to get the brackets on the wing. The way I'm doing that is very simple. There's already 2 holes here. I'm probably gonna use them. I might not use them. I'm not entirely sure. I'm thinking I might also make some like vertical like slits so that I can adjust it a little bit. I have to go get some hardware and then go fix this. Cool. See you guys. Alright boys, so I got one side action done. So yeah, I mean it's just, you know, basic. You know, bolted it up, put holes in it, bolted it, simple as that. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm like so excited. I really hope I get to the point of actually putting this on the car. I really hope we get there. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully we get to that point. Can't wait to see this on there. Boys, mounts are all finished, all buttoned up, looking really good. Here, I'll set you guys up right here so you can really see what it's gonna look like when it's actually. So I have the towel here so that it doesn't get scratched, obviously. Oh, I'm trying to hold this. Get it back here. Oh man, it's gonna be insane. So I'm honestly pretty freaking shocked that this whole thing's actually working out. It's pretty awesome. By the way, a little update on the 350. So the bumper is back. I sent it out to go get wrapped, and now it's back again because I have to do a lot of work to it. I have to prime and sand this whole thing to make it all one color. Well, I have to make it all flat because the vinyl is thin, and I have to make sure that there's no like features that can show through and everything. So that's gonna suck. The headlights aren't in the car because he's the same guy. He's he's adding vinyl onto the headlights to make new eyelids because we're not using these eyelids. Just a thought of his, because I was gonna have to probably buy new eyelids because these are kind of, you know, they need some work anyway. But yeah, so you guys can see how the yells are gonna compare. They're not really super close. They look nicer together in like the bright daylight. But if it's not the bright daylight, they just contrast pretty bad. But fuck it, it's better than white. It's better than white. And to paint and match this thing would cost me. I don't know what happened. My camera just like cut out like out of nowhere. I like went and got pizza. But anyways, yeah. So to paint match this thing, it would cost me like $1,500+, and like that's way too much money. That's way too much. That's not gonna happen. So we're just gonna wrap it. I'll just put that money that I would spend painting it towards the fund to just wrap the whole car, probably. So anyways, I gotta attack this wing again. Oh boy. I don't have a whole lot of time here, but hopefully we can at least get most of this done. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this and this to try to find the center point of this. Alright guys, it's that time again to drill into my trunk. The new trunk that I just got. We'll never find another yellow trunk nearby again. So this is the only shot. I'm doing just the front two holes first, and then I'm gonna mount it up. And because those back parts I'm gonna need to work a lot with those. So I kind of just want to get it on the car because I have to move this then out of here and put the dots in back inside. We gotta drill straight through and then straight through again. All right, boys, moment of truth time. I didn't grab any hardware. Shit. You know what, guys? Looking at this again, this actually does look like it's probably sturdy enough for me to just bolt to right here and not go through and bolt to the part like on the inside. I can probably just bolt to right there. So what that means is my hardware is not long enough, and I need to go back to school like right now. So I guess I'll just have to leave this till next week, pretty much. I didn't want to leave it till next week because I was this close to finishing it, but oh well. I'll just leave it till next week. It's all good. Next week I'll finish this up. Oh man, I can't wait to see this thing on this car. Like Jesus, I just really can't wait. So yeah, fast forward from now to then. All right, here we go.